Is this given equation quadratic or not? So here we have given something. It needs to simplify. After simplify, we will have a simple equation. Then we can say yes. You will be able to say yes. This is a not a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. We are observing that we need to simplify this. Let's simplify. Here one algebraic identity you are using. You will be using that is a plus b. You know that uh, x square plus y then 2x, and in this 2x minus 6. Here just we applied algebraic identity. You are familiar with this. Then here whatever is possible to do logically, you can do. Okay, you will do x square. Then here we have 2x, and in this minus 2x, here plus 1 and here plus 6. Here you can see this both are cutting to each other because of plus minus, because of a plus minus. At the end we are getting this x square plus 7 is equal to 0. You also know that this can be written as 0 y or 0x plus 7 is equal to 0. Yes, this is the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic because it is in this form a x square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real number, c is a constant, b is a coefficient number, a is also coefficient number, but a should not be equal to 0, b can be equal to 0. Okay, b can be equal to 0, but a should not be equal to 0. Now we can see this came in this form. That's why this is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay. Next is for u. Next is for u. Let's simplify it together. X square minus 2a. This side will be as, because we don't need to simplify this. Here in this side, yeah, there is option to simplify this. Minus 2, it will become minus 6, then minus minus plus 2x. Clear? Now whatever is possible to x square minus 2x, then here minus 2x, then here plus 6. It is equal to 0. X square, this is becoming minus 4x, then plus 6 is equal to 0. Now that's it. This is our ending. Here look, you can see here, brother, this is in this form. That's why this is also a quadratic equation. This is also, yes, this is a quadratic equation. Next question I am going to write. Next question. Next is nothing but just x minus 2. X minus 2. X minus 2. X minus 3r. This part yeah, I got. Look at over here. It can be simplified. Just wrote like that. X, then x plus 1, then minus 2 by this. Same here. X plus 3, then minus 1. X plus 3. Okay. This step is done. It will become x square, then x minus 2x minus 2. It is becoming x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now here you can see this both are cutting to each other. Here what is happening? Minus x. It is becoming minus x. Minus x. Then this part it is becoming 2x. So minus 2x minus 2. This will come. This is at plus 3 is equal to 0. It is becoming minus 3x, and this is the plus 1. But here you can see we cannot write this 0 x square. No, it is the wrong method. This is not in this form. No, that's why this given equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay? This given equation is not a quadratic equation because of after simplify this came is not in this form. That's why. Okay? I'm going to erase all this so that I can write next question. Let me write the next. It's the next. One more. Yeah. Look at over here. We will multiply this first term by this bracket x 2x plus 1, then minus 3 2x plus 1. Here it is becoming x square plus 5x. 2x square plus x, then minus 3 to just 6x plus not plus minus 3 x square plus 5x. What is happening over here? This is 2x, this will come this side, it is becoming minus 5x. This will come this side minus 5x. We have here minus 3. That's it. It is equal to 0. Something is happening over here. It is becoming, hold on, this is x square. It is becoming x square. This is minus 10x and minus 3. Yes, this is in this form. So, therefore, it is a quadratic equation because of this is a in this is general form. And the degree is a 2. Degree is a 2. That's it. Now for this it is already simplified. X square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, here we have a minus b square. Just x square, then plus 2 to the 4, then minus 2 to the 4 and say x 4x. What is happening over here? This both are cutting to each other, isn't it? This 3x, it is in minus, will come this side with the positive 4x. This plus 1 is left, and here 4 plus 4. So minus 1. It is equal to 0. At the end, we are getting 7x minus 3. This is equal to 0. Here, exponent is not a 2. It is a linear equation. So this is not in this form. That's why we cannot say that this is a quadratic equation. No, it is not a quadratic equation. Rather than saying quadratic equation, this is a linear equation because exponent is a 1. Exponent is a 1. That's why. Can I write next question? Next. It's a next. Let's see, is it quadratic or not? This will become here x cube, x cube. I think it should be nothing but a cube plus b cube, then then 2ab and plus 2ab a minus b. This is for this. Am I correct or not? Yes, am I correct? But here for this we have this all operators will be negative. Then 2ab, then a minus b. This whole. And it is not 2. This is 3. Let's apply this trigonometric identities in this our equation. X cube plus 2 cube, then plus 3 to just 6, x and x plus 2. Clear? This part is done. This part is done. Now it is becoming 2x cube minus 2x. X cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x. 2x cube minus 2x. Okay, this part is done. X cube minus 2x raised to power 3 plus 6x square plus 12x plus 2x plus 8. This is equal to 0. Now let's simplify this. This is becoming minus x cube and this 6x square, and it is giving us plus 14x, and then 8 is equal to 0. Here you can see exponent, highest exponent is 0. That's why this is not a quadratic equation. It is a cubic equation. This is a cubic equation. Now what about this? Let's solve this. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. We cannot say directly by looking at here that this is a quadratic equation. No, Here there is an option to simplify this. After simplify this, we will have confidence to say that yes, this is not quadratic equation. If this is a quadratic equation, then we will say yes, this is quadratic equation. Clear? Here, this is nothing but x cube minus 2 raised to power 3, then minus 3a into 2 x minus 2. Yeah, that's it. It is cutting to each other. Minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Here we have minus 8. Yes, minus 8. This is 8 minus 3 to just 6x x minus 2. Same here, minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12x plus 12x minus 4x plus 6x square minus x minus 12x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 0. This is what is happening over here. Look at, this is becoming 2x square and it is becoming minus 11x and this is giving us 9. Yeah, it is a quadratic equation because of highest exponent is a 2. In this you can say this is quadratic equation, but this is not quadratic equation, it is a cubic equation. Now you have a sum statements. Just convert that statement into quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Look at this question. Heard this? Let's read it together. The area of a rectangle is given already. Whatever is given, you can write it. Rectangle looks like that. Rectangle looks like that. So the area of a rectangle is given, which is 528 meters square. Clear? This is given. The length of the plot, not this. This is a breadth and this is a length. The length of the plot in meters is one more. One more. If we take this x, because it is talking about length, one more, then twice its breadth. So this is twice its breadth, two times of a breadth, and this one is a more, This is complete. It is a length, but as we know that this is not the exact measure of the length. It is a linear equation, yeah. B, we are considering B as a x and L as a 2x plus 1 according to this question. Till here we are clear. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot because this is x and this is a 2x plus 1. We need to find. Here main question is that we are going to convert this statement into quadratic equation. That's it. Nothing else. Yeah, there is a point which is we can simplify quadratic equation so that we can get a value of x. Then we will put here value of x. We will get a breadth, then length. After simplifying quadratic equation, here we will stop till the quadratic equation. Now breadth, we know that breadth is nothing but x and length is nothing but 2x plus 1. Area is 500. This is a total sum of this area. It is talking about area. Yeah, so it is nothing but L multiple B. This is a L multiple B. Formula of calculating area of rectangle is what? Just L multiple B. L multiple area of rectangle is equal to L multiple B. So L is nothing but 2x plus 1 multiple x is equal to 528 meter square. We will ignore right now meter square. Here 2x square, then x, it is becoming 528. 2x square plus x minus 528, it is equal to 0. So finally we can say this is a quadratic equation, and we brought this, we converted this into this quadratic equation, and that is what question was saying, convert this statement into quadratic equation. Finally we did, we have converted. Next question I am going to write. Main other consideration in this should be on how to calculate, after getting clarity, how to convert this into mathematics. This point you will have to understand carefully. Okay, carefully. Next question I am going to write. Next. understand this statement. The product of two consecutive positive integers. We will have to understand what is the meaning of what is the meaning of consecutive positive integers. Look at one. Consecutive means consecutive means positivity. Okay, positivity. It means first number, first integer, first integer. Let's say this is a x because it is a total. So the product, okay, not sum. The product of two consecutive positive integer is this much. Consecutive which means first is being added x plus 1. This is meaning of a consecutive. Here product of this and this is how much? 360. So this was meaning of a consecutive, and first integer number we are taking it as a x, and here we are saying integer, but rather than taking negative, we are ignoring negative because of question, according to question, because of according to question. Here positive integer, and consecutive which means x plus 1. So those, this is first, and second is consecutive positive integer is nothing but x plus 1, and product of this both is equal to 306. We will simplify this. X square, then x is equal to 306, x square plus x minus 306. This is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. We converted this statement into mathematics, and this, then we brought this quadratic equation by the help of this equation. Well, this part is done. Next. Yeah, it's a next. This is next. Wrote this. Wrote this question. Rohan's mother is 26-year-old than him. 26-year-old. The product of their age in years, uh, 3 year, 3 years from now will be how much? 360. 360. Rohan is, let's just say this is a X years. Okay, this is the X year. Rohan's mother is a 26-year-old. 26-year-old. So can you say Rohan's mother age is how much? X plus 26. X plus 26. Rohan's mother is this much. 26-year older than him. The product of their is after 3 years. After 3 years. After 3 years. It is becoming this much. So here this Rohan is will become after 3 years. Just add, and here Rohan's mother is will become x plus 26 plus 3, which is x plus 29. Okay. After 3 years, Rohan is becoming x plus 3, and after Rohan's mother is becoming x plus 29. So product of this two, we would like to find Rohan's percentage. Rohan's percentage. The product of their will be equal to this much. So x plus 3 and x plus 29 is equal to 360. This is what we are getting. Simplify this. X plus 29 and 3x plus 29 is equal to 360. It is giving us x square. Then we have 29x, then 3x, then 9 3s are 27, 2, 3 to the 6, 6 to 8 is equal to 360. X square, it is becoming 32x, and here 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. X square plus 32 x 360 minus 87 372 minus 273 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation of this statement. X square plus, yes, 32x minus 220. Yeah, this is correct. This is correct. Just we saw that here understanding will matter. Okay, here understanding will matter. When whatever we are understanding understanding will matter. Look at over here. Here we know that Ron's mother is how much? 26 year old then. We don't know age of Ron, so that's why we took x variable for the age of Rohan. Then here it is this statement, this sentence is telling that 26-year older than him. So here we will add, it is older. So we will add this complete is a Rohan's mother is. But after 3 years, we will increase Rohan is with x 3, and here Rohan's mother is, here we will increase 3 more. Product of this and this is becoming this much, and it is a quadratic equation because of highest exponent is coming as a 2. That's why. and it is in form of a quadratic equation. That is why you will convert any statement into quadratic equation whenever there is a question which is asking to you like that. Next is also easy as we did right now. As we did right now. Next is also easy. That's your question. Question is saying a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. Okay, it is traveling how much? This much distance at a uniform speed. Speed is a constant. Can you say this is a train? It is a traveling 400 kilometers. This is a distance from A to B with the uniform speed. If the speed had been had been less this much 8 kilometer per hour less much, this is, if this was condition, then it would have taken how much speed? This is question. We don't know with how much. Yeah, uniform speed x, then we will decrease x minus z. First x, then x minus z, and here we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is given. Look at over here. A travel, this is a traveling this much a distance, 480 kilometers. We don't know exact speed, so let's just say a speed of the train is x. Okay, now a speed had been this much. The speed had been this much. Had been there is how much? X minus 8 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. This is a speed. Total distance is 480 kilometer. Now here, what is a time? Time. Time is nothing but just a distance is 480 upon this much speed. This is a time. 400 x. Yeah, this is a time. And here, as we know that the distance is equal to a speed multiple time. Here 3 hours will come. 3 hours. Same distance will cover how much? Uh, within 3 hours. So that's why this x into 400 x minus 8, this part, and this time is equal to plus 3 is equal to 480. 480. Look at over here. This is nothing but just a speed. This is speed v2, and this is a time. Plus 3, it is a plus more hour. This is equal to this much distance. Here we applied formula, this formula. This was addition. This was addition hour. In addition, I'm saying you that solve this question. Solve this question by yourself. I know that in this question I'm looking at device and solving and looking and solving. I can understand my feeling. I am also new for this question only. Here simplify this x minus 8. This 480 plus 3x upon x is equal to 480. 480. And further of it, this is for you. This is for you. Now next question. this is 2. Let's solve it quickly. It is telling that just by using factorization method solve it. Solve it. Find the value of x. So here we have this as factorization or splitting method. Splitting method. Middle term. Splitting middle term. So it is giving us 10. 10. 10 is nothing but 2 5s are 5. It can be written as x square minus 5x minus 2x, not minus, plus 2x. Minus 10 is equal to 0. Here we have a 4 term. So in this case, in this 2 terms, x is a common, and in this 2 term, x minus 5 will be written as this. Here plus 2 will come, because when we multiply this by this, it will become 2x. When we will multiply this by this, then this 2 multiplication of this 2 will give us minus 10. Here this is correct. It is equal to 0. Now in the next step, whatever are outside terms, just write in one bracket what is the common, just write one times that common term. So x plus 2 in one bracket, x minus 5 in another bracket. This is equal to 0. What is happening over here? We know that this can be written as it is equal to 0, and then this side this is equal to 0. It is giving you minus 2, and this side it is giving you x as a 5. It is telling you that if you put x as a minus 2, if your answer is coming correct, for example, if you put this minus 2 in this, in place of a x, then this should become a 0. Or if you put this 5, then this also will become 5. This is side, LHS will become 5. So these are two zeros. When we will put this two zeros in this one by one, then both will give us a 0. Even I can tell you, I can show you. If we put this minus 2 square minus 5 multiple minus 2, okay, then plus 2 multiple minus 2, okay, minus 10 is equal to 0. You will see that this will be coming as a 0. It is a 4. This is a minus, not minus. This is plus. 5 to the 10, okay. Then here we have minus 2. Yeah, 2 to the 4. 4 4 minus 10. Look at over here. This is a 14. 14 and it is a minus 14. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. This is a evidence that we can see as x is equal to minus 2 is the correct answer. Okay? Now in this question, a splitting method we are using, a splitting method. So 6 2 is 12, 2 6 is 2 3 is 3. Okay. Now 4x minus 3x is giving us x. Solve this part. 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, right now we have 4 terms. Just whatever is common, write in one side. In this 2 terms, 2x is common. 2x is common, and here 2x and 2x square, 2x into 2, 4x. Yeah, it is correct. X plus 2, this is equal to 0. What should be here number? I think minus 3. Minus 3, yeah. Then 3 to the 6 and minus plus minus. Now whatever terms are outside, just write all those terms in one bracket. So 2x minus 3 and here x plus 2. What to do in the next step? You now. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, and then this side x plus 2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3. It came as a 3 upon 2, and in this is coming as a minus 2. These are two zeros. When we will put these two zeros one by one in this quadratic equation, then this LHS will become 0. This is what is the meaning of this answer. Clear? Now next. Next. Yeah, it's the next. In this you can easily observe that root is coming. If root is coming, it's not our problem, brother. We will be able to solve this. But remember, x should not come in under root. Okay. Here this is quadratic equation because of the highest exponent is a 2 and this is a 4. This exponent is a 4. That's why. Let's solve this. Multiple this by this. Then let's see what will happen. Multiplication of this what? 2 to the 4. 4 is the perfect of 2 and it is giving us 10. So LCM of this would be nothing but just 2 5s. Yeah. So 5 plus 2 is giving us 7x. So here root x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 under root of 2 is equal to 0. Now we have 4 terms. Whatever is the form, you write in one way. In this we have x is common. Root 2x plus 5. Same here, root 2 plus 5. That is equal to 0. Look at over here. What should be that number over here? Which will give us 2x. So I think it should be nothing but just root 2x. 2 to the 4 is the perfect square of 2 and x as it. If you multiply this so here is a x, so only do. If you multiply this by this will become 5 of root 2. Now over here x plus 2, x plus root of 2, and then we have root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is equal to 0 in this side, and in this side this is equal to 0. It is giving you minus root of 2, and this is giving you minus 5 upon root 2. Yeah. So x came as a minus root of 2, and second minus 5 upon root of 2. This is your final. Now what about this question? What about this question? Yeah, I can understand your feeling here. A constant which is coming as a fraction, don't worry, uh, don't worry about it. First of all, simplify this it to get a simple quadratic equation. It is becoming 8, 8 to just 16x square, then minus 8x and plus 1 is equal to 0. It is becoming 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a simple, it's a simple quadratic equation, isn't it? This is a simple quadratic equation. Yeah, okay. Now 16. 2 to the 2 8 the 2 to the 2 4 the 2 to the 4 2 1 the 2 to the 4 2 to the 4 4 4. So it is telling that 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is what is coming. Now over here in this, so we have a 4x common. 4x 4x then minus 1. Same here, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Uh, Here will come 1. 1, yes, this is correct. You can see 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Same here, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Both are same. X is coming as a 1 upon 4. Same here, x is coming as a 1 upon 4. Both are same. It means real numbers are same. 1 upon 4. Next question. Next, last. This question. And the answer is what? Answer is x as a 1 upon 2, 1 upon 10. Look at over here. 100 and 10 tens are 100. Can we say that 10x square, it will give us minus 10x minus 10x. Sum of this is coming as a minus 20x. Next term is plus 1 is equal to 0. We got 4 terms. In this, what is common? 10x common. 10x minus 1. 10x minus 1. This is equal to 0. Here, it minus 1 is coming over here. When we multiply this by this, it will give us minus 10x. Minus minus plus 1 1 is 1. Look at over here. 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Otherwise, you can say 10x minus 1. This is in one bracket. 10x minus 1. This is in another bracket. 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. In that case, 10x 10x is equal to 1, 10x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 upon 10, and here x is equal to 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10. This is our final answer. Both outputs of one input is the same. It's the same. This was last question. That's all.